Well, I mean it, baby. You're the only person on that stage.
Thank you.
We shouldn't ever get too mixed up in this whole thing, that's all.
All right.
I mean, amateurs. There are a bunch of amateurs, but you, I mean, you studied for Christ's sake. You're good.
Can we please just not talk about this right now, please?
Okay. Baby, I just don't want you feeling bad about the whole thing. That's all. I mean, it's bad enough. It's bad enough that we have to be out here amongst these people, and it's not worth it. You know?
Yes, yes.
What'd you say?
Yes. Yes, Frank. All right. Can we please just stop talking about this right now? You're driving me crazy. Please.
Okay. April. Honey, look here.
No, Frank.
Can we talk about this, please?
No, Frank.
Let's just talk about this, please.
Please don't.
Honey, let's talk about this now.
Don't touch me. Leave me alone. What are you doing?
What the fuck does it look like I'm doing? I want to smoke a spliff.
You're always getting high.
I don't care. If I want to smoke a spliff, I'm going to smoke a spliff. The fuck you going to do that for?
You're not smoking this anymore.
Give me the shit
please
back.
go?
Can you give me the shit back?
Can we please just go?
No. You know what? It strikes me, April, that there's a considerable amount of bullshit going on here, and there's a couple things I'd like to clear up. Look at me when I'm talking to you, April. Number one, it's not my fault that the play was lousy. Number two, it sure as hell is not my fault that you didn't become an actress. And the sooner you can get over this little soap opera, the better off we'll both be. Number three, I don't happen to fit the role of dumb, insensitive suburban husband that you've been trying to lay on me since we got out there, and I'll be damned if I play that part. Number four.
Haven't I made myself particularly clear to you that I don't want to talk about this right now?
Christ, April, I'm just trying to be nice about the whole thing, that's all.
Wow, how kind of you. How terribly, terribly kind of you, Frank.
I don't deserve this. April, I do not deserve this.
You know what, Frank? You're always so wonderfully definite on the subject about what you deserve and what you don't.
You know, Char, when you're like this, April?
What?
You are sick. I said, look at me. I said, I fucking mean it. You are sick.
And you know what you are?
What?
You're disgusting.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. You know what, Frank? You don't fool me. Just because you have me caught up in this trap, you can just make me think make me do whatever you want me to do?
Trap.
And make me feel what you want me to feel?
Trap. You a trap. You a trap.
Yes, Frank, me.
April, don't make me laugh. Seriously, don't make me laugh.
Don't make me laugh, Frank. You know what? You're pathetic. You're a self-deluded little boy. I mean, look at you. Just look at you. And please tell me how by any strength of imagination you can call yourself a man.
Don't look at me like that. I fucking hate you when you look at me like that.
Can we just please go home now?